Hello everyone, I am Prashant Gautam and I am a final year student of NIT Agartala, National Institute of Technology, Agartala, and I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Actually, when I was completing my third year's end sem examinations, then I was just thinking about to join a training for machine learning, because currently machine learning is a very growing field, and for placements you can definitely go with this topic. So I was just searching on the internet, and I searched for many of the institutes across India, and while searching on internet I have seen many of the students have recommended this myTectra institute on Quora and as well as on also other sites. So I just gone through their sites and searched for many of their courses available and their prospectus and all that. So I thought that it was quite well, means they have covered all the syllabus and all the course content. Then I came here, I decided that I will join this, and firstly I have to try this. Then I came here at myTectra and asked my Mr. Mohammed sir, and he told me that firstly you can join those demo classes. And while I said yeah, that's okay, and I met my instructor Mr. Ankit sir. He told me that course content and the total time taking to cover that course, and it was quite well because he explained every detail that this topic will cover that much time, and he started on the first day. So firstly he covered that Python, and all the doubts that were there in my mind just cleared out, and it was quite well experienced. So I thought yeah, you can go with this. And on the second day we have started in the flow, and many of the other people also joined with me. So after completing that Python, we have started machine learning. So I also taught us many of the different algorithms and totally covered all the topics that were in the brochure or course content. Then after completing that, we also gone through many of the case studies that were in the Kaggle or many of the other projects. So it was a good experience, means they have also covered the extra topics that were required for our projects. So they were always supportive to me, and always they were helpful for everything that I need, for every support there. And I think it's a quite well, you can go with the sir and you have to believe on him, because whatever he is teaching, it's just his way and it's perfect. You don't need anything else beside that, and it's the perfect thing for your placements. So I think it's a good way to go with these peoples, and I like it. I want to thank myTectra peoples and my mentor Ankit sir for all their support and all their teachings, that I am here right now. And right now I think that I can do much better in the machine learning, and I can definitely go for placements with this topic.